standard number 5 is transformations.
I know.
And I could have an hour just to spend on transformations with you, because they're not easy.
Right.
These are the 4 functions that we do transformations with. Y equals the absolute value of x. That goes right into essential standard number 4, absolute value. Y equals x squared. That goes right into essential standard number 6, quadratics. Y equals the square root of x. That goes right into essential standard number 7, radicals. And y equals x cubed, which goes right into standard number 8, solving cubic equations. That's why you have 4 types. The most important thing to understand here is, once you understand what h is, and once you understand what k is, and once you understand what a and b are, they are the same thing no matter which type of function it is. Your h is always your horizontal translation. And since it's a horizontal translation, it goes either left or right. Your k is always a vertical translation. And since it's vertical, it goes either up or down. Now there's an A and there's a B. Most of the time in Algebra 2, we don't spend a lot of time on B. We spend far more time on A. All right? When A is negative, what took place? A reflection across the x-axis. When A is greater than 1, what took place? A vertical stretch by a factor of A. When A is less than 1, what took place? A vertical compression by a factor of A. If we took the function y equals the absolute value of x, and we said y minus 2 equals negative 1/4 times the absolute value of x plus 6. We could also say it's y equals negative 1/4 times the absolute value of x plus 6 plus 2. Does everyone see that these two are the same equation? Yes? So now, y minus k equals a times the absolute value of x minus h. Okay? So, if you did it this way, y equals a times the absolute value of x minus h plus k. What is the correct value of h in this problem? No.
Negative 6.
Negative 6. Does everyone see that? X minus h, x plus 6. What's h? Negative 6. What does that mean? There was a horizontal translation, 6 units. Which way? Since it's negative, left. Okay? If h is negative, it's left. If h is positive, it's right. Okay? What is the correct value of k? 2. 2 or negative 2? 2. What does that mean? There's a vertical translation 2 units up. What's the value of A on this problem? Negative 1/4. The negative means there's what? A reflection across the x-axis. The fact that A is 1/4 means there's what?
Compression.
A vertical compression by a factor of 1/4. First things first, what do these mean? They mean the same thing no matter what parent function it is. Second thing, what do these different functions look like? Absolute value is a v. Y equals x squared is a parabola. Y equals x cubed is what? An S. Basically, it's half a parabola going up and the other half of the parabola going down. That's basically what it is. And y equals the square root of x is what? Half a parabola going sideways. So, if we were graphing this one, this is the parent function. The parent function always starts at 0, 0. What did we say happened to this one? We said there was a horizontal translation, 6 units
To left.
left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We said there was what? A vertical translation up 2 units. 1, 2. That means the vertex that was initially at 0, 0 is now at -6, 2. Yes? All right. What's the negative mean?
A reflection.
A reflection. It basically means the V's going down. This is the easiest one to graph because the 1/4 is essentially a slope. So from this point, we're going to fall 1 and run for which way? Each way. So we're going to fall 1 and run 4 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to fall 1 and run 4 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's basically our graph.